We have an array and we want two answers, which value shows up the most often and which shows up the least. Here 1 appears 3 times, so it wins the most. 2 appears only once, so it is among the least. To find these quickly, we first need to know every value's count. We do this in 2 easy stages. First, we build a hash map from each value to how many times it appears, walking the array once. Because a hash map updates a count in order 1 time, this pass is quick. Then we simply look through the counts and pick the value with the biggest count for the most frequent, and the value with the smallest count for least frequent. The counting does the hard work. Choosing the winners is easy. First, we build the frequency map exactly as before, 1 pass over the array. Then max with the key of frec.get returns the value whose count is largest, and min with the same key returns the value whose count is smallest. We return both as a pair. Let's build it live. First the counts, then the 2 picks. First, build the frequency map in 1 pass, each value pointing to how many times it appears. Then pick the key with the largest count and the key with the smallest count. Return the 2 winners as a pair, most frequent first. Now let's test it and hit run. And there they are. 1 appears most 3 times, and 2 appears least, just once. The plan in 1 glance. Build the frequency map, then take the key with the maximum count as the highest and the key with the minimum count as the lowest, and return them both. The counting pass is order n, and scanning the map to find the largest and smallest counts is also order n, so the total time is order n. The space is order n for the map, which in the worst case holds every distinct value. Watch out for a few things. When 2 values share the same count, there is a tie, so decide up front which one you keep. Notice that max and min here compared by the count through the key argument, not by the number itself. And an empty array has nothing to return, so guard against that case if it can happen.